question that's being asked or I'm hearing a lot is now even a good time to be investing with everything so volatile?
I think one of the really important things I think lots of people overlook is you can actually put money into an ISA, but you don't have to invest it there and then. I think people think, okay, well, as soon as I put it in, does that mean that I press the
Mm,
button, I've got to make that investment decision in the same transaction? That's not the case at all. So if you're a bit worried about what's going on in the markets, but you do have some money that you've got set aside and you can put it into an ISA, you by doing so, you put it in the money ISA, it's essentially locking in those tax benefits, which means that the taxman won't be able to touch any sort of gains or income you make from any investments in the future. But you can just leave it there until you're happy and you're feeling a little bit more comfortable about the markets. That might be potentially weeks, days, or it might be a few months. But all I would say is that don't just sort of let that cash sit there collecting dust for a very long time.
mm.
Yes, you've got the comfortable situation where you can put it in there and invest later, but you still think about keep just have it at the back of your mind, thinking, okay, mustn't forget about that completely.